Example 1. Missing pieces in a square. Algebra. Math of Mr. Williams. Find the missing pieces of the square using the information given. Show all your work. So here we have a square. We know the area is 36. I'm looking for its side length, and I'm looking for the perimeter. So let's go ahead and write down our area formula for a square. So the area formula is area equals side squared. All right, so let's go ahead and plug in our 36. And now we need to use the inverse operation here. So we have an s squared. So we're going to take the square root of both sides. And now that cancels out on the right. And we have the square root of 36 will give us our side length. So the square root of 36 is 6. So now we go ahead and put our 6 all the way around the outside dimensions. Each side is worth 6. And to find the perimeter, we know we just add all our sides up. So this would just be 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, getting us a grand total of 24 units. All right, let's go into the second one. Here we have another square, and we know the area is 324, so we're going to use the same formula. Area equals side squared. Plug in our number. 324 equals our side squared. We're going to go ahead and take the square root of that on both sides, canceling out the right, giving us the square root of 324 will give us our side length. And the square root of 324 is 18. All right, so let's go ahead and put that around our square here, since all sides are the same length. So now we add our 18s up, and we get 72 for our answer. Example 2, missing pieces in a square. Algebra, math of Mr. Williams. Find the missing pieces of the square using the information given. Show all your work. So here this time we have the perimeter is 76. We're looking for the area, and we're looking for a side length of a square. So let's go ahead and write down our perimeter formula. So we have perimeter equals, and for a square, we just add all the sides up. So 4s is here. So we're going to go ahead and simplify the formula to 4 times s. We know the perimeter is 76. We substitute our 76 in. And now we're going to go ahead and solve it by using our inverse operation. I see the multiplication between the 4 and the s. I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides. And 76 divided by 4 is going to get me 19. All right, now for the area. I know my area formula is area equals side squared for a square. Let's go ahead and substitute our number in. So we have 19 squared, and 19 squared get us 361 units squared. All right, on to our second one here. Here we also have the perimeter, and we're looking for the area and the side length. Let's go ahead and plug that in. So we have our formula, substitution. We're going to use our inverse operation to cancel out the 4 on both sides. 72 divided by 4 is going to get us 18. Then we use our area formula. Area equals side squared. Substitute in the 18. And that means 18 times 18, which will get us 324 units squared. Math with Mr. Williams. Example 3. Missing pieces in a rectangle. Algebra. Find the missing pieces of each rectangle using the information given. Show all your work. So here they give us the length, and they give us the area. We're looking for the width. We're looking for the perimeter. Okay, let's go ahead and start off by writing down our area formula. Area equals length times width. Let's go ahead and start substituting our numbers in. So we know the area is 98. And we know our length is 7. And we know that is times the W, the width. So how do we solve this? Well, we're going to use inverse operations. Instead of 7 times W, we're going to divide by 7 to cancel that out, giving us our width equals 98 divided by 7 will give us 14. So our width should be 14. Now I see the width is longer than the length in this case, so let's go ahead and write it on the longer side. So we have 14 here, a 7 here, and a 7 here. So let's go ahead and use our perimeter formula now, which is perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Let's go ahead and substitute our numbers in now. So we have perimeter equals 2 times 7 plus 2 times 14. So perimeter equals 14 plus 28. Add those up, and we get 42 units. Math with Mr. Williams, example 4, missing pieces in a rectangle, algebra. Find the missing pieces of each rectangle using the information given. Show all your work. So here they give us a rectangle. We know the length is 17, the width is what we're looking for. We're looking for the area, and they gave us the perimeter. So let's go ahead and start off with our perimeter formula. So we have perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. We know the perimeter is 96. We're going to substitute our length in. All right, let's multiply the 2 times 17. We have the like terms of 96 and 34. So I'm going to subtract the 34 from both sides, canceling out the 34s on the right, giving us 62 on the left equals 2 times the width. So now we're going to cancel out the 2 times the w by dividing by 2. We're going to cancel the 2's on the right. The width equals 62 divided by 2 is 31 for our width. Again, the width looks longer than the length. All right, so let's go ahead and write down our area formula now. Area equals length times width. We're going to plug in our two numbers, the length and width. And 17 times 31 will get us 527 units squared for our answer.